All right, back with the Rogue, waiting on Walmart to open in the parking lot. It is 5:30 in the morning, and I need to get into my directory and get something done before I go to work. You know what? I forgot I never committed my last changes. I need to make a backup too. Good grief, look at all that changes. All right, I better do it. Git add dot because we love the dot. We love the dot. We got a new file. Oh, you know what? I should have took that new file out. Oh well. Oh, you know what? I got kirk test. I got everything in here, don't I? Oh well, I can delete them. Let's see. Git commit dash h. What am I doing? Dash h. Shouldn't that be m? I was thinking of that command to shut down Linux or FreeBSD. One of them was shut down dash h now. I don't know what happened, man. My synapses must have gotten crossed or something. Let's see. Got structure of the overhaul finished. Man, that doesn't really tell me anything. Let me do, let's see. Let's see, finally figured out header file and circular reference issue. All right, good enough. Got that done. So let's look at our errors. Where am I at? There. So from yesterday, I finished Fog of War and we were on, I think, Entity now. I don't think I have enough time to get Entity done, but let's see. So Entity, okay, so remember Entity has a player monster in it. So Entity, there's no H errors, so CPP 26, where is that? Right there. 26, okay, get health, return P health, okay, where is P health at? So this is in player. Return P health, so this is, what is going on? Let me see this. What do we got? There. So that's public. These are private. All right, so what is it talking about? Oh. Yeah. I don't think there's supposed to be semicolons there, is there? I don't think so. Supposed to be semicolons after that? I don't think there is. I have no idea. It doesn't say anything about it. So. Huh. I don't know. Let me see. Because this is how we program. We love it. Whoa. If you're making anything, let me know in the comments. Might be making a roguelike or some other dungeon crawl. I always wanted to make one. All right, let me see that. Our friend CLS for clearing. What do we got? Is it the same old stuff? Okay, undeclared identifier P health. So, really, do I really need to say this? Entity age. Oh, let me see. And it looks like the same thing, right? Yeah. So I guess I need this. Or is it this arrow? All right, let's look. Inside non-static member functions. Wait. Non-static. Hold on. I forgot the scoping resolution operator. One day, I will get used to C++. I will. It's a good frustration because I actually like C++. You know, once I start learning everything. Because everything's easy once you know it, you know. All right, get this out of there. What'd I do? There we go. Okie doke. Can we move on? Let's go. Now what do we got? All right, player blah blah. Overload member function not found in player. Say what? Get P health. Get P health. Overloaded. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Am I even in the class? Well, that doesn't make sense either because it is C++. Let me see. What the heck am I doing wrong here? Oh. Oh, integer get P health. Okay, it returns an integer. Takes nothing. Player. Now what? Overloaded. How is it overloaded? I have no idea what this is. I don't know what's going on here. Is it because it's const? I don't see how that could do anything. I'm just trying to say that it's not changing anything, which I thought was a convention, a idiom, an idiom. Okay, initialize player. Then we got all these. P health. It's one adventure after another. All right, what's going on? Yeah, I don't know what the whole overloaded member thing means. Yeah, player. Did I put void? No, it's int. P health. It's public. Did I put? Well, no, I won't do that. Initialize player. Wait. Do I have update in there? See this? Where's that at? So I don't think I put an update, did I? Player initialize player. Food pickup treasure. Oh yeah, I do. Got one there. All right, I have no idea about this. Oh. Okay, so apparently something to do with const makes it say that overload member function not found in player. That's in the CPP. But I don't understand why the const does that. Why is it give an overload error? Whoops. From the const. Hmm. Do I not use the const inside the header file? So if I do, that doesn't make sense to me though. Maybe that's how it is because maybe I can put it here, but not in the header. Let me see. Okay. Apparently that's it. Okay, so remove all that in the header, the const. Now I'm wondering if I need the override, but it didn't give me an error. You know, I've never used a language where I learned something from it every time I use it. And this isn't even full-blown C++. This is a C program with C++ where it's convenient. But I like learning C++. Not necessarily Kubernetes or DevOps. Okay, let me see. What is going on now? Money coffee. What do I got? All right, now I got a redefinition. Player get px, redefinition, different type modifiers. So get px. All right, so get p health. We got through that. But now everything else is throwing an error. So, now what? A redefinition is it because there's const on it? That's here we go back with a circular reference. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of const. If I'm having that much trouble with it. I will throw it in later or not at all. See if this fixes it. Now I'm starting to wonder if it has something to do with having a parent class of entity. So let's go here. Okay, so apparently it doesn't like const on that. Fine. All right, we will look at that later. So let's do a little bit of this. And I'm probably gonna go. So this may end up being a short one. Okay, player eat food overrides specify illegal on function definition. Oh, so what do we got there? Where's that at? Right here? So I can't put these in the definition files, the CPP file. It all has to be on the other one, which really specifies the type. So if I get rid of that, and then player eat food right there, which I am overriding in the entity. So that means I can put const back in the header file, I think. Let's take a look. All right, that's what it is. So let me try that Let's go to the header file. Let's put const back in here. Where would that be? Right? Oh, come on. Const. See if we get an error on that. And there, initialize player overload member function not found in player. Illegal represent. Okay, so yeah, looks like I can do that. Okay, so I can put const back in. All right, where is my thing? See how I copy the space too? That way I ain't gotta do nothing but Control V. All right. Player. That is in what? CPP 8. Initialize players. Okay, so what do we got here? What is this now? Overloaded member function. Not found. Overloaded. Initialize player. Initialize player here. Actually, that shouldn't be const. Because that we're going to be setting stuff in that. I end up breaking these files out. Overloaded. This thing drives me crazy. Okay, H here. What do we got? Oh, for one thing, we need to take header world out. Does not go there. And if we're gonna use that, we need to put a forward declaration. What is a world? What's world there? Put it in here. Oh, come on. Dang it. Man, I hate that I can't see my keys. Oh my god, now where am I? CPP. Okay, can I please do this? Alright, I gotta go. Forward declaration. Get health overloaded member function not found. Player get health. Or get P health. I just don't know what that means. It's not overloaded. Looks like the same thing. Good God. Do I have to go and spend another 14 hours trying to figure out const at the end of a function or whatever? All right, let's go here. Get px. Yeah, apparently that's it. All right, forget about const. I will do oh man, where's that? I'll just have to do a learning C++ video on it. All right, where am I at? Here. I gotta find my home key, dots. Yeah, override specified illegal. Want to eat food. CBP eat food. Okay, where was it at? CBP 41. Illegal. Do I have to put the override somewhere else? Come on, there's got to be something I'm doing wrong here. Where is this stuff? Oh, I don't think I'm. Do I have any other overrides here? Nothing. Nothing. All right. Let me open up my practice stuff here. Where was that? Practice. All right, let me see. So I've got one age, but I don't think I was overloading anything in those. Or was I? Main. Let me see. Where's my control button? These. All right, where are they at? None on that, right? Where's the headers? Really? Let's see. Oh, I never opened the headers. Dang it. I don't think I had anything on those anyway. So 3, 1, main. Yeah, nothing there. All right. Um, I guess I'm gonna have to go look at all that. I'm not connected. All right. I'm gonna do this on the next video. I gotta go. Let's see this. All right. All right. Like, share, subscribe, and have a good day. And I will see you on the next one.